The Children's Eternal Rainforest is Costa Rica's largest private reserve, with nearly 23,000 hectares or 55,000 acres. It's home to thousands of species, including endangered species like the tapir, the bare-necked umbrella bird, and the spider monkey. It's also home to Costa Rica's 6 wild feline species, including the jaguar. This reserve is an important biological corridor, reaching the Continental Divide and spanning both Atlantic and Pacific slopes. It protects 5 key watersheds that provide water resources to the communities that surround it. It's also an important source of income for many families in these communities. Income from donations and visitation to our trails and field stations directly supports the conservation of the Children's Eternal Rainforest with activities like forest patrols, research, and environmental education. Learn more about how you can support us by visiting our webpage and social media. Thank you for your support.